So ask yourself, what happens to the food that I eat? When you're enjoying a plate of food, you first chew it, then swallow it. It's going to get to your stomach, and the acid in your stomach is going to digest that food and help you break it down. It'll then continue to the rest of your small intestine and your digestive system, where the digestive juices from your liver and gallbladder and from your pancreas mix and break that food down into the very smallest parts that it can break it down into. And this is where we get the proteins, vitamins, minerals, and all the food digested into a form that your body can use. Most of that food goes to your mitochondria, and the mitochondria turns that food into energy. Now, your body has a particular kind of energy that it needs, and the mitochondria make this energy, which we call ATP, and that's an abbreviation for something called adenosine triphosphate. But we'll call it ATP, and we'll know that this is the special energy that your cells run on. And so when your cell has ATP, it can do what it needs to do. So when we talk about nutrition, we talk about something called nutrients. And nutrients are all the things that we use in the food that keep us healthy. They can be vitamins, minerals, and everything from our food that our body wants to use. And every step in the process of making energy in a mitochondria requires nutrients. So our mitochondria need a lot of food to make the fuel for our cells to run. So mitochondria have got a lot of work to do. It's kind of like the production line in a factory. If you were making a car, you'd need the parts to be coming in on that conveyor belt along that production line so you can continue to make more and more cars. And if a part of a car is missing, then you can't finish off making that car. It's the same with your mitochondria. If there's something missing in your diet, your mitochondria can't complete the task of making the energy that your body needs. So we know that our mitochondria need a constant supply of raw materials to keep their production of energy running. The next question to ask is, what do we need to eat to keep our mitochondria healthy?